Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be turning myself into Jenny Lind from The Greatest Showman, and I'm super excited for it, so let's go. So you really want to get some really good skin for this, so I'm using the Pure Correcting Primer and the Insta CC Primer from Rimmel London, and I'm just, completely out of focus, there we go. I'm just rubbing that into my skin to give myself a really good start before we even get going with the foundation. And then for even more flawless skin, I'm using the Urban Decay Optical Illusion Primer and singing something. I don't know what that even is. This just really smooths over your skin and makes you look perfect. And the skin is a really important part of her look because it's just glowing and beautiful and really clear, which man isn't? So we need to achieve that look through the use of many products. So next up for foundation, we're using the Revlon Photo Ready Airbrush Effect foundation. This has got loads of like glitter in almost, so it makes you look super shiny and pretty. And then, oh yeah, I got I got setting spray all over my camera. So I just applied some setting spray onto my beauty blender. It was the Obsession Dewy Finish one. And that just also will help you get super glowy looking skin. Oh yeah, I have a gap in my eyebrow. I have no idea where that's come from. And then I'm just going to set that with some loose powder. This is the sheer loose powder from Collection. And then on an angled brush, I'm just going to fill in my brows using Brownies from the Sofa Does Nails Extra Spice palette. For this look, you really want to make them... Oh yeah, wait. I accidentally went in the black one. So for this look, you really want to make them look super arched, but arched and thin. So not super full. So try and achieve that while looking natural at the same time. It's a little bit of a feat, but this is the easiest way to do it, is to just drag it up higher than your natural arch is. And then taking Glow Baby from the Belle Jordan and Obsession collaboration, I'm just running that all over my lid, just on my finger, because it's a shimmer shade and I feel those always work better on your finger. And then taking Pops from the same palette on a big fluffy brush, I'm just blending that into the crease. Just lay the colour down at the moment. It doesn't matter too much about getting the blending perfect, because we're going to go in with a big fluffy brush, an even bigger fluffy brush anyway, and sort all that out so that the blend is super natural. You want this to be more of like a contour for your eyes, and then I'm just taking that Glow Baby colour and just reapplying it. And then taking Lola from the same palette, I'm just going to do a winged liner, but very small, and also as smoky as possible. So you see I keep dragging over it again, just to make sure that it's as smoky as it can be, because you want it to look more natural than it's as if you've just taken an eyeliner and done that. So that's why we do it with the eyeshadow. And then taking Pure Volume Vixen Mascara. This is the nicest mascara I've ever used. I reviewed it in my last video, so look out for that. But seriously, look at the comparison between one eye and the other. It is mental. It is such a good mascara and perfect for this look. There's the finished eyes, looking super glam, super pretty, and super natural too. So on to the rest of the face. So blush is vital for this look, so I'm taking the Tarte blush in Thrilled. I don't think they actually sell this shade anymore. And then the Revolution Opulence blush on top. Just go ham with the blush, because that is the main part of her look. And then taking the pinkish highlight from the Soft Does Nails highlight palette, I'm just running that over the top of my cheekbones. This is a perfect one because it's not super glowy, it's just more of a natural finish, so you want to put that pretty much everywhere to just give your skin a radiant and healthy look. And then taking the lip and cheek stain from Model Co and placing that on my lips. It's super natural, which is what I really like the look of. It makes them look plump, but it also looks like it kind of could be your lip colour. It's really nice. It's not as shimmery. She wears more of a sort of lip glossy lip, but I thought seeing as the rest of the look was quite natural, that worked quite well. So there's the finished look. It is really nice. I was really happy with it. It's really glam, makes your skin look really pretty. I love the lips too. It's just quite natural but also glam at the same time. And you can go off and get Hugh Jackman to fall in love with you and try and convince him to leave his wife for you, and it'd not work. I don't know what's going on here. I think my neighbours caught me being weird. So please like and subscribe and leave me a comment below. That would be amazing. And I'll see you next time. Bye.